Hi and welcome to today's 90 seconds of XRP. Stay tuned to know today's economic, financial, cryptocurrency, and of course XRP news. Ripple partners Pyypl to roll out micro-investment platform to conquer Kenya and African market. Chairmen McHenry, Hill, and Huizenga are demanding information on prudential banking regulators' efforts to debank the digital asset ecosystem. Representative Nunn introduces bill to protect Americans' digital assets. The UK has poor public services and a rapidly increasing tax cost. It's a recipe for discontent. The tech-heavy Nasdaq led a Wall Street rally as a strong quarterly report from a Facebook parent Meta overshadowed concerns over slowing US economic growth. Don't forget to subscribe and don't miss my daily 90 seconds of XRP.